Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make crushed garlic kundrus. The kundru is prepared like any other sabjis, but what is special over here is I'm gonna add some crushed garlic. So let's get started. First of all, wash the kundru properly in water. I usually prefer to keep my veggies in water with 1 tablespoon of salt and haldi so that the vegetables get disinfected. In Marathi, kundrus are called tondre. In Hindi, it's called kundru, and in English, it's called small watermelon. There are 2 ways to chop the kundrus. You can finely chop them into many pieces, or you can just cut them round. Let me tell you one thing, you either cut them round or finely chop them. The way you cut it, it will get the different in taste. Crush the garlic once and keep it aside. Ingredients: few crushed garlic, curry leaves, 2 chopped chilies, 1 onion and ginger garlic paste. I'm not going to use tomatoes in this because already kundrus are a bit sour in taste. Heat the oil in a kadai. Add cumin and fennel seeds and a small pinch of hing. Add crushed garlic in the oil. Now add curry leaves and finely chopped chilies. Let it cook for a few minutes. Then add chopped onions and cook it till it turns its color to light brown. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste to the mixture. The onions have changed its color to light brown. Now add half tablespoon of haldi, 1 tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of red chili powder and a half tablespoon of coriander powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala and mix the mixture properly. Now it's time to add our chopped kundrus in the mixture. Mix everything properly. Let it cook on medium heat. This will take 10 to 15 minutes. Just don't add any water in it and let it cook. Kundru sabji is ready. Add coriander leaves for garnishing. Happy eating!